My name's Scott Garvin. I'm president of Garvin Design Group. We're an architectural interiors company based here in Columbia, South Carolina. Started the firm 20 years ago. Yeah, honestly, it was born out of frustration. Just really thought that there was a better way to do things. Had never been driven to own my own company, but because of the situation I was in another company, I was just really driven to do so. And I wanted to create a place that myself and my coworkers could enjoy the profession of architecture and working with our construction partners. So that was the real motivation. We were in what I would call a traditional model, and 20 years ago, architects would do all these elaborate drawings and specifications and then put it out to bids. And so you have 3 to 5 contractors that are putting a bid in, and the lowest bidder is who you're going to work with for the next year or two. So you're kind of meeting at the bid table, which seemed awkward. And then the adversarial relationship begins because the contractor that's low probably made a mistake. The architects are wanting their work product to be perfect, and it never is. And it's just an odd way to set up a relationship. So what I wanted to do with our new firm, was to develop a model where the contractor's at the table during design. So if a client brings us in, we bring a contractor in or they bring a contractor in, and the 3 parties are working on a design together. And it shortens the construction time, it shortens the design time, and it delivers a better product for our clients. Well, we're in 7 or 8 different markets, depending on how you label them. We do restaurants, we do retail, office buildings, we do a lot of higher education projects, sports projects, a lot of historic renovation. And as architects and interior designers, our job is to visualize what the client wants, try to really understand what their needs are, what their goals are, what their vision is, and use our creativity to turn that into something that they're excited about, proud of, and again, meets their needs. And then we document that through a series of design stages. Again, working with our contractor to do estimates and make sure we're within budget, and then work with the contractor during construction and oversee the construction with them to deliver a building that our clients are happy with. We're proud of the work that we do because the clients are so involved in it. The Olympia Mill neighborhood with Olympia Mills and Granby and 701 Whaley, all of that work really transformed that neighborhood through the developers that we worked with. The Peace Center in Greenville was really a landmark project for us because it revitalized that part of Greenville that was on its growth trajectory. And we feel like we had a significant part in that urban design and also renovation of a performing arts center. And there are many more that we're proud of, big and small. Most of the ones that are special are the ones that are directly addressing the urban fabric, which leads you more to the historical renovation of projects in downtown areas. We're very proud of that work. My advice that I would offer for an entrepreneur is a lot of the advice that I was given from my mentors and people I respected. First of all, be really clear about what it is you want to do. Develop a very clear vision and stay focused on that vision. Don't get distracted from it because you get hit with all these little details and nuances and problems, and you have to stay clearly focused on your vision. You have to be willing to take a risk and take a chance. I mean, when we started this company, I cashed in all the chips and it had to work out, and it did. But you have to have that mindset that it has to work out, and I'll do whatever it takes to make it work out. And the third thing, probably the most important thing, is surround yourself with great people. And I did, and I have. I mean, my partners here, the people that work here are amazing. And that's why our company has done well. It's simply because of the people that work here. And I love coming to work every day. And if you're an entrepreneur thinking about starting a company, that should be your goal, that every day, even 20 years later, you're excited about going to work.